Cooks, today in the Amy Learns to Cook kitchen, we have what could be the ultimate kitchen appliance. This is a chef robot and it does all kinds of stuff. In essence, it's a cooking food processor, but it does so many different things and it includes a recipe library that can guide you through making a fantastic meal. So join me. We're going to take our first look at the chef robot by doing an unboxing. So you're probably saying, Amy, what is a chef robot, right? It's basically a food processor with a cooker in it, and it does all these functions. It's a 10-in-1 appliance. So not only is it a food processor, but it's a mixer. It is a steamer. It is a juicer. It is a slow cooker. It has a built-in scale. It's a blender. It's tons of different things, and it's packed with a recipe library that guides you through recipes so you will have a successful cook, right? So I just want to take this opportunity to thank Chef Robot for sending this over so we could try it out. You know how I love gadgets. You know how I need to get things on the table fast, and I like a variety in what we eat. So the fact that this has a huge recipe library in it and guides you through and makes it easy for you to get something on the table is really interesting to me. So thank you. There's a link down in the description if you want to take a look at this. So what we're going to do is we are taking our very first look at this. We're going to explore this because I am not familiar with these type of appliances as some people are, because some people use them, like I said, outside the US, a lot of people use them on a regular basis. Okay, so let's get this out of the box. This box is huge, by the way. So what do we have here? Let's start with, so you have a warranty card, being free from defects for 1 year. We have a user manual, so we're going to have to really dive into this so we can learn all the functions and how they work with this cooker. We have box 1. This thing is serious. Whoa, this thing is really serious. Whoa. Yeah, this thing is, now this is an appliance. This is a luxury appliance. Definitely higher end. Whoa. Whoa, okay. Here is the chef robot. Woohoo! Yay! Wow, this thing is serious. There's a little cover here. Whoa. Wow, this thing is amazing. Oh, okay. So this must be the steamer. So I like how it's kind of compact and it's like all in this bowl. Okay, so in here there's the steamer. So this is a top that goes to this, to your lid. Comes with a spatula. Whoa. So this might be the steamer. So here's the whipping paddle. That's pretty cool. Here we have another little lid. I'm assuming this is a steamer. So the first thing we're going to do is turn on the chef robot. And it's going to boot up. That's That's awesome. Wow, that is awesome. Wow, that is awesome. So it tells you it goes through like a safety guide. It's going to tell you to put it on a stable area. You can go through the menu, your safety guide. I'm going to go ahead and skip that. So this is the interface. Oh, so it'll also give you some instructions here. We're going to go ahead and just confirm that we've read that. So this is your main menu. We're going to set it up first. So we're going to go to the settings page, and then we're going to hit settings. And the very first thing we're going to do is we're going to connect it to our Wi-Fi. And it sees our Wi-Fi. And I'm going to enter our password. And so it's connected. So it's going to upload the newest version. In the meantime, I went out to the Play Store and I downloaded the app. And I'm going to create a new user account. Okay, so now I'm going to go into the settings because I want to sync my phone. So I guess I'm going to go pair account. Mm-hmm. So I downloaded the app and I created an account. I'm going to go to profile and I'm going to go Chef Robot and we're going to add a device. And then on here, we're going to go pair. And now it's pairing the thing with my phone. So now it knows who you are. So let's say we're going to make butter chicken. And it's going to tell us everything that we need. Ginger, garlic, all this stuff. So if we go cook, it's going to send it to our chef robot. And so it's going to give you everything you need to do the recipe. And it's going to tell you what to do. So you're going to add the ginger, the onions, the garlic, and all that fun stuff. And the recipe is here. So it's going to tell you all what you need. You need 5 grams of ginger, 200 grams of onions. And what's fun about this is it has a scale in it. So when you hit cook, it's going to tell you to add the ginger. You're going to tear out, you're going to add your ginger, and then you'll go to the next. And it'll say add your onions, tear it out, and it'll tell you how much you have in there. So it does everything by weight, which is awesome. You can also just set it manually so that your time, that's your temp, and that's the speed on the blade. So this is pretty awesome. So our next video, I'm going to choose a recipe out of the library and we're going to cook it using the guided chef robot. Okay, so to remove the bowl, you just lift up, right? And in here, there's the blade. So this is a chopping blade. You can use to chop garlic, onions, whatever, right? And to remove that blade, there's just a little thing on the bottom here. So you just turn this like this, and you can lift the blade out. So this will enable you to clean this and this and get all inside there. We're just going to put it back in here. There's little arrows on here that tells you what direction this goes to. You want these little things to go to the front. So that goes like that. So this is a food carrier, and according to this, it says it's used for filtering fruit and vegetable juices, cooking small foods, and serving as a food barrier during cooking. So that would go in there. And this is a whisk to use in there. That's pretty cool. Okay, so part of the chef robot is a steamer. And to use the steamer, we have the bowl on here. Just gonna put the lid on. I'm gonna go ahead and put the steamer base on here. And this is our steamer. So you're gonna put the water in here. You need at least 500 milliliters of water. Then we're going to put the steamer on here. Your food's going to be in here. You can do double layer, right? And we're going to put a lid here. So that's pretty cool, huh? So this thing is like all in one. One cool thing I noticed is the lid to the top is also a measuring cup. So you can measure this measures 100 milliliters, so you can just measure 5 of these, put these in here, and then go ahead and put your steamer on. I love it. So that means you technically, if you had a soup cooking down here in the bottom, you could then throw something up here to steam it separately. If you would like to have some vegetables or something like that, that would be amazing. So cooks, this is our first look at the chef robot. This has so much to offer. It's going to take me a little time to explore it, but what's so fun is we can explore it through the recipes on the app. So I'm going to pick a recipe on the app and we're going to make that next. So stay tuned. So I just want to thank Chef Robot for sending this. This is amazing. I can't wait to start using it. The links to this will be down in the description if you want to take a look at it. Stay tuned. Our next upload, we're going to cook something in this bad boy. So we'll see ya.